All right, guys, we're going to finish this up by taking a look at the amendment process and some of the amendments to the United States Constitution. Now, the process is pretty simple. It can be proposed two ways, either by a two-thirds vote of both houses of Congress or by a national convention called by two-thirds of the state legislatures. And it can be ratified one of two ways, either by a three-fourths vote of the state legislatures or by a three-fourths vote of the state ratifying conventions. Now, no matter which way it's proposed, it can be ratified either way, as you can see here. 26 times it was ratified by three-quarters of the state legislatures, once to repeal prohibition by three-fourths of the state ratifying conventions, but it's never been called by the state legislatures. A national convention has never been called to propose one. Now, of the amendments, the first 10 are the Bill of Rights. These are the big ones. So you got the First Amendment, you got freedom of speech, religion, press, assembly, and petition. Second Amendment gives you the right to bear arms or own weapons, which is kind of open for debate in terms of the meaning of that. Third Amendment means that you cannot be forced to house troops in your home. Fourth, that you have a protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. Fifth, you have protection against testifying against yourself, double jeopardy, and you have a right to due process of law. Sixth, you have a right to a trial by jury to know the charges against you, confront and have witnesses, and have an attorney present for all questioning during that time that you are being questioned by the police. Seventh Amendment, you have a right to a trial by jury in civil cases over $20. Eighth, protection against cruel and unusual punishment and excessive bail or fines. Ninth means that people's rights are not limited to what's given in the Constitution, and the 10th means that the rights not given to the federal government are held by the states or the people. Now, the rest of the amendments, we're not going to go through all of them, but just the highlights. The 12th Amendment meant that the electors would cast separate ballots for president and vice president. 13th Amendment abolishes slavery. 14th Amendment defines citizenship, guarantees equal protection of the law. 15th allows all men over 21 the right to vote. 16th allows the creation of the income tax. 17th allows us to directly elect senators. 18th is prohibition, banning the production, sale, and use of alcohol. 19th Amendment allows women the right to vote. 21st repeals prohibition. Thanks, guys, for paying attention. Hopefully, we took good notes.